all the sacred scriptures from the 11th of the 8th month of 1446. Representational, a placement in universes. Spiritual texts become exclusive sources. Chronological orders get lost in the other forces. Oral and other tradition makes its way into the courses. Similar and different, our own wisdom and experience is how we are feeding. Transcendental to each other, there is also the way secular things are treated, like the Constitution. Applicable to our own lives as we will, it is ever for us to engage in cultural appropriation. Central, even when dying, it teaches how to work with those who are relying. We decide what is saved and how it is living. And one of the things that might be misunderstood about this is the reference to dying. By dying, I mean the text. Certainly, these things, according to our own decisions with them, are something for living and dying. And by transcendental, I mean they don't fit each other's definitions and address things not in each other. Now, there are ones that could be said to be summaries of some, and people are like, oh no, cultural appropriation. It's like, no, that's the point. You know, cultural appropriation isn't inappropriate or blasphemous or whatever you call it if, you know, you're authentically doing